Um, One thing I also often like to ask my guests on the podcast, um, I don't always have as much time as I want to, but I'm still a great advocate of reading. Since you're talking about literacy, are there any particular books that you would recommend for people who say, hey, where's a good place to get started when it comes to
Uh,
becoming more literate with AI?
yeah, one of the people that I met in Dubai, actually, you might have heard him speak as well, Mark, was Mo Gordat.
Okay, no, I thought you were
Yeah.
talking. What's the Brazilian guy's name?
Oh, that guy. Yes, I can't remember his
He
guy's
was a
name off
doctor's.
the top of my
We'll have
head.
to, so
Yeah, yeah, we'll
Gordat,
find out.
yeah,
But Mo, so Mo is
yeah,
his first name,
yeah.
and Gordat, Gawdat, and
Okay.
he used to be the chief business officer for Google,
Oh,
and now has written a number of books, and he's released one called Scary Smart,
okay,
which I really like,
okay.
because he sort of has lived in the tech world, but he's someone who really has hope for the future, but also wants people to be mindful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, and for sorry, I've written a few papers as well, which I can make sure that yeah, yeah, definitely can give you access to some of the ones that I've made reference to today. That are all my work's all published out there, and also I've been writing some articles recently with Dr. Harold Kersner about the implications of AI in the project context. So we've collaborated on a couple of pieces. He is. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.